Okay. So let's start with the JSP part. Introduction to JSP. I think I have discussed with the problems as per the chat whatever I received. We discussed the problem with the servlet and then we come across with the JSP code, right? And what is a JSP? JSP is nothing but the Java server pages. It is used for development of the web pages. Okay, to insert a Java code into the HTML format. While in the servlet, what we have and under Java code we have inserting the HTML code. But exactly opposite thing is happen over here. What we do in HTML code we are inserting the Java code in the JSP format. Fine. That is the basic difference between these two. And JSP, one important part, JSP can be used for the separating a view layer with the business logic or in the web applications. Fine. Next part, why JSP over a servlet? That I think so we have discussed it. It provides a easier way to code the dynamic web pages. JSP does not require additional file like a Java class files or web.xml. As we know, we are using that web.xml as well as the Java file, in a servlet. Or any changes in the JSP code is handled by your web container. Okay. We does not require to every time to recompile it and execute the process. Fine. और सबसे important बात ही we are not required explicitly mapping into the web.xml is not at all be required. Fine. Okay. Next part we have discussed about the JSP servlet. Sorry, JSP lifecycle over here, right? Before I proceed, there is no disturbance of other noise. Now I am clearly audible to you, or do I need to shift the room? I am clearly audible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है then. The JSC, what is exactly the servlet का काम क्या क्या होता है? Sorry, servlet life cycle, how the things are happen. When the first JSP, first you write down the JSP code, and this JSP code is translated into the first.jsp.java. किसमें वो translate होता है? After translation, it get compiles and it generate the class files, and your class files is loaded into the servlet, right? And with reference to that, I discussed a complete life cycle of your JSP, right? You remember that? ये वाला पूरा लाइफ साइकिल हमें डिस्कस किया था. A JSP page is read, get translated to the servlet, then compile it again, class file is loaded, and this happen. These are the 7 phases of your JSP life cycle. Translation of JSP to servlet code, compilation of the servlet to the bytecode, loading the servlet classes, then creating that instances, then initializations by calling the JSP init method, and request process by calling the JSP service method, and we destroy method is there, right? We have discussed these part, how the things are happen. Fine. In the translation page, what happened when the user write down the JSP code, it get translated into whatever the इसमें greater than or percentage side, that is called as scriptlet. Whatever you have written into the scriptlet, it get translated into the Java file. Fine. That is called as into the translation phase. While translating this process, your code is get compiled, and after compilation, that Java program or that class file get it loaded. And once it is get it loaded, then it transfer it into the execution phase. That means it call the JSP init method, it call the JSP service method. Init method में क्या होता है? Initialization, and in the service method you are calling the all the different the services. Do जैसे आपका servlet में था do get, do post, similar way do get do post method call the service of the servlet. Similar way JSP service method gets its call, and it in this method will do the मतलब request and response के हिसाब से वो HTTP को help the process will be helpful for them, right? So this is typical your JSP का process over there, right? Now after the completion of JSP it get destroyed. शायद मुझे लगता है we have learned this much, isn't it? Fine. Now just go through the all different elements of your JSP tag. Whenever you are writing a JSP page, you are writing a code into these 5 important elements: comment, directive, declaration, scriptlet, and the expressions. These are the 5 elements in the JSP: comment, directive, declaration, scriptlet, and the expressions, right? Comment tag is used to write a comment. Directive tags will be directing your web container how to do it, what is the next task, what you have to do it, right? That means you need directions where your page should be moved, what type of file you want to be included to execute the Java code, how to do I need to maintain the session. Everything will be performed with the help of directive tag. And next tag is called as a declaration tag. This declaration tag is used for declaration of a variables for your JSP page. And next is called as a scriptlet tag. Under the scriptlet tag you are writing a Java code for the executions of your Java not Java, the JSP programming. जो भी statements यहाँ पे लिखोगे that gets converted into the JSP or into the equivalent Java code. And similar way you can work with the expression tag over there. Okay, let's go in detail with all these tags and write down the small code with respect to these tags. Fine. The first call as a comments. As you know, यही लिखा हुआ था, एक बार पढ़ लो. Just read it. Slide is self-explanatory about the things. Just read the slide. Fine. So what's the comment tag? Scriptlet tag. Whatever the statements you are writing, it is get converted into the service method. This is called as a directive tags, declarations, and the expressions. Now, let's go everything in details. As I said, JSP is a combination of Java as well as the HTML process, right? So it accept HTML tag also, it accept the Java tags also, right? It accept HTML tag as well as the Java comments, sorry, HTML comments as well as the Java comments also, right? So I can say और खुद का JSP का खुद का comment structure है. So this is typical JSP comments. Script with this sign you can write down double underscore, double hyphen, not underscore, and you can put it as a comments over here. This is called as a pure JSP comments. This is called as a pure JSP comments, and this tag is called as a HTML, that is HTML comments is also included in a JSP tag. You can include this single and this single double backslash and single comments, multiple single line comments as well as the multiple line comments, but it should be included within the scriptlet. ये जो scriptlet है ना उसके अंदर include करना पड़ता है. That is called the typical Java comments. Fine. Now let's start with the important part, that is a JSP scriptlet. Fine. A scriptlet is nothing but whatever informations you are coded between these two is called as a scriptlet. Your JSP containers move the statement what are the statements written in between into your JSP service method, right? The JSP service method is nothing but we are calling servlet service indirectly. Ultimately, your JSP page is converted into the servlet. So JSP service method is nothing but you are calling a servlet की service method में call करते हो. Fine. So what are the informations you are writing in between? It get converted into the service method. Fine. So here you are having a program, HTML body and this scriptlet and out.println welcome to the Java JSP page. Fine. So this information is get it converted into the JSP. This is called as a JSP scriptlet. It get converted into this. ये जो statement है ये JSP service method में convert होता है right. Fine. So Java के all codes we can write it into the Java code. So all the statements for loop, while loop, do while loop, all blocks of Java programming is available into the scriptlet tag. You can write a scriptlet tag with for loop, while loop, do while loop, decision making, right? All arithmetic support, all the operators, logical operators is possible by using your scriptlet tag. Fine. So now to implement a scriptlet tag, write down the programs. Out of these three, you can just put or write down the one programs to implement the JSP tags, right? और आपको रेडीमेड एक प्रोग्राम्स करके देखना होगा तो आई विल गिव यू द solutions for it. As I said, we can use a different scriptlet tags. Java के जो भी ये है जो भी tags हैं that you can use it fine as it is. So these are the some examples of your scriptlet tags over there. So write a program to execute the JSP program. ये जो program लिखा हुआ है execute it, find it out what is the output of these two programs. Fine. Execute your program. NetBeans के साथ execute करो, उसका output क्या है वो देखो. Meanwhile, I'm creating a folder in the class notebook. You just upload your information over there. Fine. Execute these programs. It will take hardly 5 minutes. What is the output of these two programs? Execute it. These are called as a scriptlet tag. I think we have finished till these information scriptlet tag. Am I clear to everyone? Am I clear what you have to do it? Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So execute करो और उसका output दिखाओ. You upload your programs on the JSP element का मैंने class notebook के ऊपर I've created a folder, right? You just upload it. Just 3 minutes is left. Just give me the output of your program. What is the output of your of this program? Done. Done with the program. What is the output? Hello. Done with the program. Those who have finished with that programs, they can work out on the for loop. Okay, done. Execute these another program for the for loop. And immediately upload the programs on a folder. Upload it in a folder. Okay, done. Okay, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand those who have finished the things. Raise your hands those who have completed the process. No one? अरे कुछ तो बोलो तो मुझे समझ में आएगा ना. This is not work. Or shall I conclude JSP is over? Shall I conclude? You will directly write down the program. You will directly work on the JSP thing. Be interactive into the class. Are you there? Everyone, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Only typical 4 या 5 लोग ही आंसर देते हैं हमेशा. Akash is there, Daniel is answering, Satvik is answering, that's it.
Hello, ma'am.
Virat is also answering. इतने ही लोग आंसर देते क्लास में.
Can you
हाँ
hear
बोलो
me, ma'am?
देवांश.
Ma'am, actually मेरा नेटवर्क टेक्निकल इशू चल रहा है. इट्स लाइक कि एवरी 5 मिनट्स वो मेरे को डिस्कनेक्ट कर रहा है अपने आप. सो अगर आप मेरा नाम लो तो आई विल मोस्ट प्रोबेबली नॉट एबल टू आंसर. हो सकता है उस टाइम पर मैं डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाए. आई जस्ट वांट टू टेल यू दैट.
Yeah, you just write it down on the chat box also, no?
ओके ओके.
What about others? आपको you don't require the syllabus. You are in. मतलब shall I declare JSP is over? Shall I start with a new topic? Are you there?
Yes.
So it's very irritating for the teacher if you are not responding.
Yes, ma'am.
It's really very irritating to the teacher also, and the same complaint has happened with every teachers has given me the same complaint. Gaurav Pant sir had cancelled your lecture. We are considering your problem, but at least you should respond to the teacher ना क्या चल रहा है क्या नहीं चल रहा है. If you don't want, I will declare it. The syllabus is over. Will it be okay? ठीक है, चलो syllabus खत्म हो गया है. अब आप you write down your own programs, right? I will
Please check
find up the things.
tech.
See, I will not accept it कि आपका netbin crash हो गया and everything. This is now the old dated problems.
Ma'am, am I audible now?
Yeah, you are audible now.
Yes, ma'am. I was trying to speak, but I guess आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही. Ma'am,
नहीं
अब आ रही
आवाज
है.
आ रही.
Yes, ma'am. So I was just doing the for loop wala, ma'am. If you can give 2-3 minutes
हाँ.
more.
Yeah, I will give it to you, Daniel. I don't have any problems with you, but I am having the problem with rest of the students. Are they are doing it or not doing it? See, मैं आपको
Can
though
you
it's
hear
a
me?
final year. Yeah, Daniel, I am hearing you. Though it's a final year,
Yeah, okay.
I
Now
will
it's
do
okay.
the fail. I can make you as a fail. हाँ, मैं आपको पास करने वाली नहीं हूँ. Right? Make it very much clear. Because you are not responding into the class. I don't have any clue whether you are working or not working, and this is not my problem. Every teacher is having the same problems. So जिनको इंटरेस्ट है उनको पढ़ाती हूँ, बाकी को आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Aditya Sharma, what is your status? I am not going to give you the marks. I will simply जैसे सर्वलेट में मैंने सबको पहले असाइनमेंट में जिन्होंने काम किया था उनको मार्क्स दिए in the class. Rest of the students I put it as a 0 marks. Make it sure 40 marks for your classwork, whatever classwork you are doing it.
Ma'am,
बोलो श्रुति.
ma'am, I just joined from my phone because मेरा mic
Why?
is not working the laptop. Also, ma'am, my NetBeans is not working, and I have told you about the issue before also, and I don't think I can help it anymore. I have tried everything uh, as of now, so I'm really clueless how to go about it. I'm making notes, I'm doing everything, but I really can't execute the code.
Okay, जो
There's
भी
some
आपका
other
problem.
editor or something
See,
alternative to NetBeans or something.
Shruti, you contact
Yes,
me
ma'am.
individually. We will, along with the Amol sir, we'll try to solve your problems. मैंने कब से आपको बोला हुआ है?
Yes, ma'am. And after that, also, I thought that I'll use some other machine and try to work it out, but it's not happening.
Okay. So you just contact to the lecture के बाद contact करो. We'll try to
Okay,
solve it
ma'am.
out. जब
Thank you.
तक प्रोग्राम नहीं करोगे तब तक you will not have the any मतलब
Yes, ma'am.
you
It's
will
not
not have any.
beneficial anyway to
Yes,
just write the code or
true.
until I'm executing it.
What about Aditya Sharma? Next, Adarsh Singh, Aditya Dhar, Aditya Singh, Akash is there, Ashok, Akshay, Londe 10909, Ali is there. Anubhav, 15, roll number 15, what is your status? 16, 18, roll number 18, 23,
मैम पेरेंट्स 16 ईयर मैम डूइंग द वर्क मैम बट को थोड़ा बहुत कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है मैम इधर
बोलने के लिए क्या प्रॉब्लम है जब मैडम पूछती है तो व्हाट्स योर प्रॉब्लम? नाउ यू टेल मी
No,
व्हाट्स योर
ma'am.
प्रॉब्लम? ये
Ma'am, तसं नाही
हमेशा
ma'am.
ऐसे
Ma'am,
होता है
माझं
कि
ते
नो वन इज रिस्पॉन्डिंग इन टू द क्लास एंड दिस इज नॉट माय प्रॉब्लम. एवरी टीचर इज हैविंग द सेम प्रॉब्लम्स.
ma'am, माफ
Do you
करा
think
मॅम
the
पण
teachers
तसं हे नव्हतं.
do you think the teachers are
मॅम
useless?
माझा
Do you think
माईकचा
teacher
इश्यू होता,
doesn't
मी
have?
फोनवरनं जॉईन झालोय.
हाँ, तेच तर why? Are you working?
हा मॅम चालू आहे, करतोय थोडं.
So why you people are not responding to the teacher?
माफ करा मॅम, सॉरी. नेक्स्ट टाइम पासून करेन. आय एम रिअली सॉरी.
Roll number 37, 38. आज ऋतिक कहाँ गया? Roll number 40.
Yes, ma'am, I'm working.
For what? And why you are not
Working.
answering? What's the problem? कि आप लोग respond क्यों नहीं देते? What's your problem? Shall I declare
I do want.
JSP is over? Or you know everything? I don't need you don't require any lecture. Shall I declare it? JSP is over. I will start with the EJB.
नो मैम.
क्यों फिर आप लोग रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करते हो? ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम नहीं, सभी टीचर्स का प्रॉब्लम है.
अरे मैम हम लोग खुद ट्राई कर रहे थे, अगर कुछ एरर आता है तो.
अरे लेकिन कर रहे हो क्या नहीं कर रहे वो तो बताओ ना.
ओके मैम, सॉरी.
So I just feel like I'm speaking to the dumb terminal. At least see you try to understand. जैसे हम लोग आपका प्रॉब्लम अंडरस्टैंड करते हो, try to understand a teacher's problem also.
श्योर मैम.
41,
Yes, ma'am.
44, 46, 48.
Yes, ma'am. 46 actually.
So you're working, Vishitij. 51.
Not for the time being, ma'am. Actually, I don't have my laptop with me currently. I have to download the lecture for reference. Because
Is it a valid reason, Kshitij?
I understand that, ma'am, but
when you come for any coding program or coding के lecture के लिए आ रहे हो, programming lecture के लिए आ रहे हो, and you said you don't have your laptop with you, and it's a hard time. It's half of the semester is over. Roll
excuse me,
number
ma'am. Just a minute.
51. She told me 52.
यस मैम 52.
क्या स्टेटस है? क्यों पूछना पड़ रहा है? आंसर क्यों नहीं करते हो क्लास में?
मेरा आ रहा है इसलिए फिगर आउट कर रहा हूँ क्या है.
बताने के लिए प्रॉब्लम क्या रहता है? एटलीस्ट चैट बॉक्स में मैं क्यों बोलती नहीं माइक लेके बोलो. निखिल आर यू देयर? 53.
Yes, ma'am.
निर्मीत, नेक्स्ट टाइम्स आई डोंट लाइक दैट कमेंट्स कि मेरा नेट बिन्स खत्म हो गया, ये हो गया.
मैम कर रहे हो, उसके बाद आपको स्क्रीनशॉट भी
56.
भेजा है.
56 रोल नंबर.
Yes, ma'am.
स्मिता अभी तक काम कर रही थी, अभी तक क्या हो गया? स्टिल
नहीं मैम,
सर्वलेट, यू आर वर्किंग वेरी नाइसली.
Ma'am, I've executed both the examples. I couldn't
So what's
say
the
it out because
problem?
I was switching my network.
So just respond it into the at least chat box में क्या चल रहा है, क्या नहीं चल रहा है.
Ma'am,
रोल
my
नंबर
network
60.
ended with
Present, ma'am.
61. Pavit. 64. 69. बोलो क्या है? 70.
मैम 70 प्रेजेंट.
बताओ what's the problem? क्यों नहीं आंसर करते हो?
मैम एक्चुअली मैम लेक्चर फोन पे अटेंड करता हूँ, लैपटॉप पे काम करता हूँ ना, तो दोनों में साइमल्टेनियसली देख नहीं पाता. हेडफोन नीचे रख देता हूँ, एक बार काम करना चालू करता हूँ तो फोन में देखता नहीं कि मैम की कुछ चल रहा है कि नहीं. और आपका मैम उसमें जब फुल स्क्रीन करता हूँ ना तब दिखाता नहीं कि कौन बोल रहा है कौन नहीं बोल रहा है, तो पता नहीं चलता कि कब बात हो रहा है कब नहीं हो रहा. इसलिए बहुत बार अटेंडेंस मिस हो गया मेरा, क्योंकि मैं लैपटॉप पे काम कर रहा हूँ, फोन पे क्लास चल रहा है।
71
यस मैम।
क्या स्टेटस?
मैम PRN 69
अभी चालू किया मैंने।
चालू किया? क्या चाल क्यों अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे?
मैम सब नाश्ता हो रहा था।
हाँ, तो फिर नाश्ता ही करते रहो। 72
यस मैम।
क्या स्टेटस है?
मैम लिख रहा हूँ मैम।
क्या लिख रहे हो?
मैम
क्यों
एग्जाम
इतनी एक्चुअली वो एग्जीक्यूट होना चाहिए था अभी तक।
कर रहा
I
हूँ
put
मैम।
you as an absent, right?
मैम कर रहा हूँ मैम।
कर रहा हूँ इसके लिए कोई मतलब नहीं है अभी तक। पूरा एक्चुअली इम्प्लिसिट ऑब्जेक्ट तक मुझे फटाफट मतलब समझ में आना चाहिए। दीज आर ऑल सिंपल थिंग्स। 74
मैम तो मैम एब्सेंट मैम कर दिया आपने।
हाँ, क्योंकि अभी तक कर रहे हो मतलब ये कुछ किया नहीं क्लास में।
मैम किया है मैम। मैं
बताओ मुझे। स्क्रीन शेयर
मैम
करो।
आपको
चलो
मैम
स्क्रीन शेयर करो। स्क्रीन
मैम
शेयर करो। ठीक है
मैम
ऋषभ?
स्क्रीनशॉट भेज देता हूँ मैम।
नहीं, स्क्रीन शेयर करो। चलो जल्दी से करो। शेयर योर स्क्रीन इमीडिएटली। रोल नंबर 74 75 76
यस मैम।
क्या है स्टेटस?
मैम मैं पिछले कुछ क्लासेस से अटेंड नहीं कर रहा था, सो राइट नाउ आई एम
77
प्रेजेंट मैम।
स्टेटस बताओ।
मैम बस वो कोड्स रन कर दिए, दोनों एग्जाम्पल स्क्रीनशॉट अपलोड कर रहा था।
हाँ करो, इमीडिएट क्लास नोट पे अपलोड करो वो। रिटर्न का टेक अ स्नैपशॉट एंड अपलोड इट।
Yes,
80
ma'am. I've
रोल
written it. I'll just
या
upload it.
रोल नंबर 80 शुभित
80 प्रेजेंट मैम।
क्या कर रहे हो? आज सो रहे थे। 81 रोल नंबर 81 84
Yes, ma'am, doing it and uploading it. Ma'am, 84.
85
Present ma'am, Bachor.
what's the status?
Uploading the screenshots, ma'am.
Hmm?
Uploading the screenshots, ma'am.
कहाँ पे किया? Not
Ma'am,
screenshot. Hmm? It's not screenshot. Program, you have to upload the programs, whatever program you have done, along with your output screenshot.
For sure.
You have uploaded it on that. इसके ऊपर क्या है?
Ma'am,
PPT.
I said I'm uploading it.
हाँ, do it first. $87 $89
प्रेजेंट मैम।
अब क्या था? नहीं, प्रोग्राम बताओ।
मैम आज का मैम नहीं कर पाया मैम, क्योंकि थोड़ी देर पहले मैं वापस आया हूँ मैम।
रोल नंबर 91 absent. आप जब करोगे तब देखेंगे। 91
मैम प्रेजेंट मैम।
स्टेटस बताओ मुझे, क्या कर रहे हो?
मैम मैं भी टाइप कर रहा हूँ कोड, लेकिन एक्चुअली मैम मेरा भी आईडी क्रैश हो रहा है बार बार, तो मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि एक्चुअली मेरा भी अपडेट हुआ था विंडोज, तो उसकी वजह से
92 रोल नंबर 92 ये रीजन नहीं चलेगा मुझे। नाउ इट्स अ हार्ड टाइम। 92 95
Present, ma'am. I'm done.
you are done?
Uploaded in the notebook. Yes, ma'am. Uploaded in the notebook also.
Okay. 96 100
I'm uploading it right now.
servlet. You are working very nicely in the servlet part. 103
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
क्या किया? उन्नी
Ma'am, first question, then second question I have to do.
क्यों?
Ma'am, I have to.
Why not
I had
all?
some error in the. Oh, ma'am, I had some error in the first question. Ma'am, I have to see the second question now. If you could show me.
Okay. 104 Ahmad. 105 is not there, right? 107 Del.
Yes.
What you have done?
Yeah, I'm working on the loop that you program that you just
Upload
told.
it immediately. Roll 108 Akansha.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm just done with it. I'll upload it on my notebook.
109. Okay. Okay, come back to the programming part, next part, right? So this is your scriptlet. Now we'll go for the next element, that is called as the expression tag. Okay, everyone please concentrate now. The next tag is called as the expression tag. What the expression tag do? These are the typical syntax of your expression tag. Okay, what exactly the expression tag do? Expression tag is used for writing the contents on the client side machine. Okay, it is used for writing the contents on the client side machine. These tags transfer the code into the expression statements. It transfer this code into the expression statements, and these expressions get it evaluated, and the output will be written to on a client machine. You are not, for the expression tag, you are not required to implicitly to include explicitly output object, to include the explicitly output object. Okay, it automatically included into the expression tag, that we are calling it as a, it insert the implicit output object. What do you mean by the output object? Here out.println is nothing but your out is nothing but your output object. Okay, that they are called as a implicit object. They are called as a implicit object. In servlet, you need to declare this out object. If you remember, printer writer का हमने output object करके declarations किया था. But these objects in the JSP are automatically declared, and that is called as a implicit object. Okay, so how many implicit objects are available under your JSP tag? So what is implicit object? Implicit object are nothing but objects which are created by your web container automatically. Okay, in the JSP, some objects which are automatically created by your web containers are called as a implicit object. Okay, these objects are created during the translation phase. They are created within a service method. So how many implicit objects are available? We are having these 9 objects are implicit objects are available along with the JSP. Out object, request, response, config, application, session, page context, page, and exceptions. These are all the implicit objects are available. Right now we are looking for the out object. Okay, as well as in the previous example, आपने get input parameter जब read किया था, that is nothing but your request objects are available over there, right? So out objects are used to write the contents to your client end, to your browser. Okay, and there are several methods are available with the out object. कौन से methods है? So here, yeah, these are some methods are available along with the out object. Printer, println, new lines, clear buffer, flush, this get buffer, get remaining. These are all the different methods are available with the out object, right? Similar way, just अभी के लिए लगने वाला है, that is request object, and another is a response object. This request object is implicit object is used for accepting the user request. Okay, on the JSP page, getting a data on the JSP page. And if please recollect the servlet ka part. In the servlet we have declared HTTP request object, right? And a similar way, there the request, this is implicit object is associated along with your JSP page. Similar way, HTTP response servlet के ऊपर था, that response object is again an implicit object in your JSP. It is used to modify or dealing with the response which is being sent to the client end. Fine. So these three objects are required currently. So keep in mind out object, request object and response object. Rest of the objects we will see afterward. Fine. ये किसी को क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आया कि मैम यहाँ पे हम कैसे क्या प्रिंट हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. Nothing is, ये क्वेश्चन किसी के दिमाग में नहीं आया ना. So this is your out object, and when you are writing your scriptlet part, JSP scriptlet part, this out object is implicitly accepted. This out object is an implicit object and it print the data. But in the expression tag, this is called as expression tag, you don't require to explicitly include this out object. It will automatically include it and the data gets printed. For example, here this equals to 2 plus 4 into 5. These expressions get evaluated and the output of these expressions will get it printed. Okay. Execution sequence is similar way as a Java sequence. The star has having the higher priority than the plus. So first it execute this and then these two get added. Fine. Next is what? 75 is less than 69. The expression, logical expression, relational operators you can use and you can put the expression like this way. Okay. This is another example. In the first example, you are converting lowercase, this string hello world, you want to convert it into the lowercase and here to local string. So these are by using %sign equals to, you are writing your expression tag. Fine. Here we are having a syntax expression tag. Agree? So expression tag is used to evaluate the expressions which is placed in between these symbols. It allowed to perform arithmetic and logical operators. Fine. So this is the difference between expressions tag and a scriptlet tag. Read it out. Fine. जो अभी तक डिस्कस किया था, that is summarization is with the slides. Okay. So now just go through examples. Which are the new tags you can observe in this program? Go through these examples. कौन से नए tag दिख रहे हैं यहाँ पे? Yes. Have you observed some new tag? Okay, so which are the new tags are available? The HTML statement, HTML tag, this is head, again HTML tag, right? यहाँ पे जो tag है, this %sign and a exclamation mark, string name equals to XYZ, right? What is this? These tags are called as a declaration tag. This is called as a declaration tag. Okay. Next, equals to name is equal to this one. This is called as a expression tag. Age equal to this one. This is called as a expression tag. Right. So what is new? This %sign and this tag is called as a एक declaration tag. Okay, so what is the use of declaration tag? The declaration tag is used for initializations of the variable as well as it is used for initializations of the methods also, or we can say declaration of a methods is also can be performed by using your declaration tag. In this example, integer radius equals to 7, double pi equals to this one. These are nothing but you are declaring a two variable. One is radius and another one is a pi. You are declaring a radius with 7 and you are declaring these another variable with this value. Fine. So this is one example of your declaration tag. In these examples, what you have declared a method. Okay, इस example पे क्या था? You declared the variable integer radius and double pi. While here in this example, you declared the methods of the sum. In the sum method, typical हमेशा की तरह जैसे Java में methods लिखते हो, same similar options are available. So sum is a method with having the three parameters, number 1, number 2, number 3, and you are performing the addition and you are returning the value. Since all the variables are integer, the addition of these variables are also the integer, and so it is returning a value as a integer. Fine. So this till here, from these explanatory marks till here, these are called as a declaration tag. And in the declaration tag, in this example, you are declaring a methods, right? And here you start the execution of your code. This is again expression tag equals to result is sum of, you're calling a method sum along with this parameter 10, 40 and 50. Fine. So declaration tag is used for declaration of variables. Execute these program and give me the output. क्या आ रहा है इसका output? Execute these programs. In these programs, we are declaring a variables as well as you are declaring a methods, right? Execute the programs और इसका मुझे output दिखाओ, क्या आ रहा है output? Execute it.
ओके मैम. मैम इसको ऐसे ही रहने देना प्लीज.
हाँ रहने देती हूँ. It's a combination of your declaration and scriptlet. Okay, done. Or working?
एक्सक्यूज मैम
Yes.
मैम इसका आउटपुट ये वो आ रहा है पेज काउंट इज 0
Page count is initially 0 whenever every time you execute the program.
ओके ओके
Okay, and count it. बता दिया आप लोगों को. Every time execute the programs. And is it increasing? Count is increasing. Check it out.
नहीं मैम नहीं हो रहा
नहीं हो रहा है?
नो मैम
ओके. हाँ ओके ठीक है. आप एक काम करो, यहाँ पे रिटर्निंग काउंट के पहले काउंट प्लस प्लस करो. Every time it will if you execute this program, every time you will get a 0 value, right?
जीरो आ रहा है मैम
अभी भी 0 आ रहा है. एक सेकंड बता दूं.
मैम वो बार बार ऊपर 0 पे इनिशियलाइज हो रहा होगा ना.
यहाँ पे आपने प्लस किया गेट काउंट में, काउंट प्लस प्लस किया गया. Is my method, is this visible to you? NetBeans? NetBeans
Yes,
का
ma'am.
हाँ, इसमें देखो यहाँ पे काउंट प्लस प्लस करके डालो और आउटपुट दिखाओ. आउटपुट देखो.
हाँ मैम अब वर्क कर रहा है.
वर्क कर रहा है? क्या हो रहा है?
यस 1 आया मैम अभी एक और बार ट्राई करते.
फिर से एक बार एग्जीक्यूट करो. It increase the count every time 1.
मैम फिर से 1 ही आया.
1 ही आया. ठीक है.
यस मैम.
एक सेकंड रुको. एक्चुअली इसने हमेशा एवरी टाइम इट गेट्स इंक्रीमेंटेड बाय 1.
जब भी पूरा रन करेंगे तो 0 से इनिशियलाइज होगा ना, तो एक ही बढ़ेगा.
देखो ना इसीलिए तो मैंने एग्जीक्यूट करने के लिए बोला. ये देखो पेज काउंट 1 आया, राइट. ये बाकी का प्रोग्राम्स है वो छोड़ दो. ये देखो पेज काउंट इक्वल्स टू 1. आई विल शो यू. हियर आई एम कॉलिंग. कहाँ पे गया ये? हियर आई एम कॉलिंग द फंक्शन get count function, and it get this function gets called, and it is a in get count method, and it running this value, right? Again I am running the program. ये देखो पेज काउंट इंक्रीज हुआ 2 से. Again I am running the program.
एंड बिकॉज आप सिर्फ वो 2 लाइन बार बार कॉल कर रहे हो ना, हम लोग इसमें बाकी कुछ है नहीं, तो हम लोग अगर वापस पूरा प्रोग्राम रन करेंगे
हाँ तो नहीं है ना.
होगा और इंक्रीज
देखो ना ये आपका क्या नहीं ये दिस लाइंस. Okay, I will delete it. डिलीट करती हो? ठीक है, पेज काउंट 1 because I deleted it again. अरे पेज काउंट फिर से page count 2. Again I am running the program. Page count 3. Right? Run the program again. Page count 4. Okay. इसका मतलब क्या है? So when you do the declaration tag, it will not get a memory every time for each request. Okay, जैसे आपको you just recollect init method of your servlet. It get initialized only once. एक ही बार कॉल होती है, उसके बाद उसी मेमोरी के ऊपर you are utilizing the process, right? So ये servlet आपका JSP page is converted into the servlet ultimately. Okay, so keep in mind when the declaration tag does not get a memory at each time. If I get a memory at each time, it get initialized to 0 and it will be continue with that. Fine. एक बार आपका शेयर करो, मुझे चाहिए होगा तो आई विल चेक द एरर्स एंड आई विल फाइंड इट आउट कि कहाँ पे जा रहा है. हैव यू इन द डिक्लेरेशन टैग हैव यू डिक्लेयर्ड द प्रोसेस इन यूजिंग डिक्लेरेशन टैग? और यदि आपने स्क्रिप्टलेट से किया होगा तो इट विल एवरी टाइम इट विल बी इनिशियलाइज्ड टू 0 एंड इट विल काउंट इट एज ए 1. बट इफ यू डिक्लेयर इट बाय यूजिंग दिस डिक्लेरेशन टैग, देन एवरी टाइम इट गेट्स इंक्रीमेंटेड बाय 1. चेक इट योर प्रोग्राम. फाइन.
ओके मैम.
हाँ, करके देखो. नाउ ये 4 प्रोग्राम है, उसमें से एक प्रोग्राम आपको करना है by using the declaration tag. Define a method and perform it. Either call it by using the in a scriptlet or call it by using the expression tag. Fine. Take any one, write down the functions and call it. करके देखो प्रोग्राम. ये मेथड्स आप लोगों को now you are expert with these methods. Typical simple methods are there. Just for the practice, declaration, scriptlet and expression की practice है. जस्ट इसका होने के बाद मुझे जस्ट एक बार रिस्पॉन्ड कर दो if you finish it off.
Ma'am, we have to try any one of
Any one, only one, just for the practice कि what
Okay.
exactly declaration, what exactly the expressions and what exactly the scriptlet के लिए.
Okay.
Okay, teacher. I missed that point. You just include after integration, you just include one method do only one the system do not combine more than practical blocks in a single method. Even if those blocks are very small, try to avoid them in different don't do the single block. Clear? No, accordingly you change the number also. So here you can see an example where we have method for saving factors. We have method. So I will do one thing by that time. Shall I stop presentation? Method for saving address. Saving address and saving
ये execute होने के बाद you just try out these also. What will be the output of this? इसके भी output देख लो एक बार.
Yes. 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 So in this case, yeah, in this. See, if what do you mean by no higher benefits and it means whenever we write the status fail, okay? Whenever we write the status fail, that means there is a defect, right? So in the next stage, we will learn whatever the test cases are failed, right? That means there is a defect. Okay? So again, after the next 5 or 6 unit, we will discuss. Okay, when the test cases fail, that means there is a defect. And when there is a defect, we will check which type of defect it is. Is it a border defect? Is it visible defect? Or is it a higher defect? So here we will write the unit of same module based. Is it clear, Shravani? That means whatever the test cases are failed, that means there is a defect. Okay. Now we will check which type of defect it is, whether it is a low, medium, or high. I will tell you the process for identification of that defect. The severity of the defect, whether it is a low, medium, or high. So that is the part of the later unit. Okay. So yes. Yes. No. Specify types rather than types. Are reported, not reported. Whatever we want to write. Okay. Not mean 16. String name, not string. Object. Yes. Yes. Do not use numbers rather than constants. Declare constants in the top of the file or in a secret constant file and use it here. However, using constants are also not relevant. You should use the constant in the core file or database so that you can change it here. Declaring it as constant only if you are sure that this value will be there. Once again, let me complete the questions one by one. So do not use backward switch or use resource file to write the secret constant file. Convert string to lowercase or uppercase before compare. This will ensure the string will match even if the string will be compared as a different piece. So, for example, in your program, particular string will be considered as for searching, let us say searching. So if someone is searching John in capital, it should match. You should define capital here in option and move for the comparison. Always work for one expected value. For example, if there is using a pattern with two possible values, never assume that if one is not matching, then the other possibility is the other value. So we will take some examples like key member type register and new member type. So what it is that there is an unexpected value. So for example, if there are parameters with two possible values, and never assume that one is not matching with the only possibility is the other value. So it should not be like that you are considering your code that, for example, if this is not the answer, the second is going to consider as the answer. No, do not consider like that. We have to define whether if this is the case, then else if this should be the case, or else this should be. So what we do is we directly define if and else. That is not a correct practice. The best practice is to basically or else in basic case, or else this should go on the section with the value of Yeah, see, on that point, you have right, the online education system, it's developed. That means I am from HCL Technology and I have developed the system, OES system, online education system for VIP users, right? In that case, when you present the system, you have to design the logo for your company as well as for which you are developing, which you are testing the software. Because this is an education institute, that's why I am developing the university. You can take any example and put the logo also. So that in that case, you will get a feel, okay, you are writing that expensive professionally. Is it clear? So I will do my short presentation and in the team I will create the folder so that you can upload it. Fine? Yes. 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 So see, Shashwat, the following bit they are related. See, the third one is the report.
Okay, done. Hello, done the program?
Looking, ma'am.
Ma'am, working
Yes,
out.
ma'am.
Good. हाँ कितने लोगों का हो चुका है? So I can start with the page directive. Just please raise your hand so I can know कि I can start it or you need a more time. Okay. बाकी के लोग काम कर रहे हैं अभी?
Yes, ma'am, doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. Thank you. So please execute it. Sukanya, you can try. Have you tried out this output of this program? These are all the expression tags.
No, ma'am. I had just done the one of the four.
Okay, okay. Meanwhile, just write out all these options and just check it. What is the output of this code?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, sir. हाँ हाँ हो एक सेकंड सर मी आत्ता सरांना विचारते आणि तुम्हाला मेसेज देते हा माझ्या डोक्यातनं पूर्ण केलं होतं सुट्टी होती मधल्या काळात मी देते तुम्हाला दुपारपर्यंत मेसेज देते लगेचच माझं लेक्चर चालू आहे लेक्चर संपला की मी लगेच जाऊन विचारते
Yes. Now what are error messages? Error messages should help the user to solve the problem. Yes. There is an error. Instead, you should specify the message and fail to update data or please do not make sure that the login ID and passwords are correct. So those things are basically whenever you are practicing. But basically yes. And the process is every day you put together the present. Approximately 89%. So, immediately, student, your expectation is you have to go to the document, starting from first to last. You have to explain each and everything about the present and you ask the question based on that topic. And accordingly, I will give the number. See, the need because every day two students are present, right? So one student, the thing is because I want each and every document to be present. If your time management is not okay, that is your problem. So you have to set your time accordingly so that you can present each and every artifact properly. Give sometimes to me also so that I can ask the questions because the evaluation is done. Evaluation is based on each and every artifact. So if you will not manage the time properly, you will lose the marks. Yeah. Yeah. See, if you want, I will share. Otherwise, it is according to your number. Otherwise, I will share because you know the serial number, right? You know the PRN. So every day two students. So starting from first one, I think the roll number one is everything. You start from who is second one. Ashmita. So if she is ready, then fine. Otherwise, we'll move to the next one. So Ashmita, are you ready for more? Because you have requested me. But you give me the confirmation prior.
Done?
Right? So that otherwise I will assign it for the
एक्सक्यूज मैम
Yes.
मैम मैंने विदाउट डेक्लेरेशन कर लिया प्राइम नंबर वाला, डेक्लेरेशन से नहीं होगा।
नहीं, वो मेथड चाहिए ना, डिक्लेरेशन मेथड प्राइम नंबर वाली चाहिए, और उस मेथड को आप इसमें कॉल करोगे स्क्रिप्टलेट के थ्रू या तो एक्सप्रेशन थ्रू और स्क्रिप्टलेट के थ्रू। जस्ट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द मेथड, डिक्लेरेशन चेक करो, वही तो सीखना है अपने को कि हाउ
Okay,
यू
ma'am.
विल डिक्लेयर इट एंड हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू कॉल इट।
ओके मैम।
ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स के तौर पे चाहिए होगा था, नॉट दैट एग्जाम्पल एग्जैक्टली, ये मैंने फैक्टोरियल का लिखा हुआ एग्जाम्पल आपके यहाँ पे जस्ट शोइंग इट ऑन द स्क्रीन, हाउ टू डू इट एंड हाउ टू कॉल इट।
Yes, Shashwat. The output is ready. So if they are going to write this, they are going to write. So in that case, which case is number it is? So for fifth one, there is no need to write the last and fifth. This is just the no, don't write the pass and fail.
ये एग्जाम्पल लिखा हुआ है फॉर द फैक्टोरियल के लिए। Similarly, you have to work on for your prime number or some other methods.
Shravani, Shravani, please open that files tab and check. I have created all the folders. You just cross verify and tell me. You check with your identity because you have all the rows. It's really easy. See, so the first is SRS, RTA, low level design. So in low level design, data flow diagram is expected, right? And high level design, the use case diagram is expected. Okay. Just that's why. One second, मैं इसको numbering कर देती हूँ, that is better. So I think SRS is the first one. SRS first and RDM first है Sharma. Okay. See if your loop system is several iterations, then it is always a good practice to use a string builder instead of string object class. So this is specifically I think I'm telling you, this is specifically I think for
Shravani, what is third low level design, right?
you can see in this example rather than string message here it will be string builder message equals to string builder. So a string builder will be equal to string builder no iteration.
System design. Okay, so system design में हमने क्या किया था?
Session variable, boundary code, use session name in the class and
high level document. एक सेकंड, high level document हमारा third हुआ ना? एक हमने use case diagram बनाया था ना शादी? एक सेकंड.
story class.
So use case diagram is third. Okay. Then fourth one is high level dimensions of forms होना हमारे. Okay. Then software data storage. Flowchart. ठीक है, फाइन. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारा वाइट बॉक्स टेस्ट केस था. ठीक है. ठीक है. हाँ वो फिर उसके बाद सीक्वेंस आता है. ठीक है, सिक्स और एंड सेवेंथ वन व्हेन यू शो द वाइट बॉक्स टेस्ट केस स्टूडेंट प्लीज लिसन फॉर व्हेन यू show me the white box test cases. In that case, in Excel file, paste the source code also. Ashram, एक second, let me complete this. Otherwise, you are very 1 second. हाँ, एक second में ये बना लेंगे, फिर आप दिखा देना है ना?
This particular slide will be there for and it's it carries a lot of valuable information.
Now it is better, right?
I will just share this.
Clear?
Will I share this? It's there.
ठीक है. So there will be total 10 artifacts. Shravani, please present. Please present. Shravani. So, when you present the whiteboard spaces, you have to prepare
Okay, done with the program?
So this is the source code you take from internet. This is the source code for login. Now you open the flow.
नहीं हो रहा मैम.
क्या नहीं हो रहा है? शेयर करोगे स्क्रीन?
So the flowchart
कुछ भी प्रोग्राम लिख.
हाँ? शेयर करोगे बाद में करो. We will अभी करना चाहते हो तो आकाश you can share it. Meanwhile everyone, how many of you have done the program? Please raise your hand. जिस किसके खत्म हुआ है वो. Please upload the program.
Not
Yes.
yet. I will finish it soon.
Finish it off immediately within 10 minutes. Whatever things you have done, please upload it on a folder immediately. Right? That is the end of the lecture. जितना भी काम हुआ है, whatever the work you have done, please upload it on the folder. I'm not expecting, actually rather it's very simple program. You have to execute it. Okay, I can see only the 3 person. Okay. What about Satvik today? What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, na?
Ma'am.
Good. Fine. So you upload the upload the programs. Fine. Tomorrow we will go through the anchor tags and customization tag. How to develop it, right? Fine. You can also leave the class, no issue. Akash, if you want to share, you can share your program, your screen. We'll find out the error. बाकी के लोग जा सकते हैं. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Upload the thing. जिसने जो भी काम किया है, upload the program on right now on the folder.
Correct.
Done, ma'am.
Upload it. Upload it good. Upload it into the folder.